Hello again. So today let's complete the rest of the topic of national population policy. Okay, yesterday we studied objectives which were immediate, mid-term and long-term. And today we will and also we studied about national socio-demographic goals for 2010, right? We studied, give me a minute. We studied we have to fulfill the needs for basic reproductive and child health services. Okay, make school education compulsory up to 14 years and free also. Reduce mortality rate, reduce infant mortality rate, reduce maternal mortality rate, achieve universal immunization, and promote a delayed marriage after 18 years for girls. Okay, let's continue the rest of the topic today. Next one is achieve 80% institutional deliveries. What do you mean by institutional deliveries? Institution deliveries mean deliveries conducted in hospital, okay, or any healthcare sector. Okay, yeah, 80% institutional deliveries and 100% deliveries by trained person, okay, not by untrained person but trained person. Okay. Now the next one is achieve universal access to counseling and services for fertility regulation and contraception. We have to give them access, okay, access to counseling. If they have any kind of doubt regarding family planning, regarding contraception, regarding any sterilization process like vasectomy, tubectomy, then they should have a place that that they will go and have cleared their doubt. Okay, so yeah, this point is counseling, fertility regulation and contraception. Okay, and the next point is control spread of AIDS. Okay, control spread of AIDS and promote hygiene practice, educational awareness for stopping reproductive tract infection and sexually transmitted infections. Okay, here we have to control AIDS basically mainly, and promote hygiene practice, personal hygiene practice and educational awareness for stopping reproductive tract infection and sexually transmitted infections. The next one is prevent and control communicable disease. Okay, any kind of communicable disease we have to prevent and control by giving health education and spreading awareness. Okay, the next one is promote small family norm. Small family norm means the family will have only 2 children and more than that they will not have, or they will have, they will use contraception after that. So yeah, so small family norm, we have to promote that. And achieve 100% registration of birth, death, marriage and pregnancy. Okay, registration should be done. Okay, I hope the points are clear. Now let's move to the next. Okay, next is promotional motivational videos. Okay, give me a minute please. Okay, so next one is promotional motivational video. Okay, so we have seen on serials and TV shows that film stars are coming to promote their movies, right? So that we can know that okay, this movie is coming and we have to see it. So promotional activities is just like same, we will promote our national population policy and we will motivate people to follow this policy. So let's see this, what are the promotional and motivational activities. The first one is reward to panchayat and jila parishad. Okay, panchayats and jila parishads, reward means present or award, okay, to honor them. So they will be honored if the village follows small family norm and compulsory primary schooling. Okay, the whole village, we know that whole village follow panchayats and jila parishad, we know that. Okay, that villagers follow panchayats and jila parishad. So if panchayats and jila parishads make every family of their village, but of their village to follow small family norm, that they will have only 2 children and their children are educating up to at least 14 years, then the panchayats and jila parishads of that particular village will get awarded. Okay, will get honored. So yeah, this is the first point. Now the second is Balika Samriddhi Yojana. Balika Samriddhi Yojana. Balika means you are understanding this is girl. Okay, this Yojana is about girls. So yeah, this Yojana run by women and child development. Okay, this Yojana is run by women and child development to promote survival and care of the girl child. Okay, to promote survival and care of the girl child. Okay, so rupees 500 cash is provided in the time of first and second girl child birth. Okay, so if a family is having having child and the first or the second child is girl, okay, and they only have 2 children and the first or the second one is girl, then they will get 500 rupees. And maternal benefit scheme. Okay, so run by Department of Rural Development. Okay, Department of Rural Development. And rupees 500 cash is awarded to mothers who have their first child after 19 years. Okay, so if a woman is having their first child after 19 years, means they are following, they are getting educated, or they are getting, after that they are getting married. Then after that, after 19 years they are having their first child, then we will give them 500 cash. Okay, and we will honor them. The next one is Family Welfare Linked Health Insurance Plan. Couples below poverty line. Couples who are very poor, who belongs to a poor family, who undergo sterilization. I hope you mean sterilization. What is the meaning of sterilization? Vasectomy and tubectomy to prevent pregnancy. Okay, so who undergo sterilization and have 2 children, have only 2 children. After 2 children they are having they will undergo sterilization, then they will get 5,000 rupees insurance, health insurance. Okay, yeah, so these are all. I hope all the points are clear. If you have any doubt, then comment below.